Introducing WAETIC. We are specialized in the design and manufacture equipment for water treatment. We develop and supply equipment, and we study, project, and execute different engineering and technical assistance services. We have highly qualified personnel with more than 30 years of experience in the market and a large portfolio of customers satisfied with our work and professionality. 90% of our clients belong to the international market, which proves that we have answers and results for problems beyond borders. We can give the option of manufacturing our products on site, thanks to the transmission and implementation of our engineering and production processes as original manufacturing equipment. Contact us. We have the solution that you are looking for.